I said I'm born in the USA.
Bang!
No!
Give me a kiss.
Why?
Give me a kiss.
You have to start it.
It is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Absolutely is. Give me a kiss. Ready? Bang! Neeves, Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife,
I
Kara.
don't like this one.
Douglas in the background. What's wrong with it?
You filmed me without my knowledge. I'm only supposed to do that
You're
to
the
you.
one that started singing all weird. Bang! Neeves, Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
Douglas in the background.
What up,
Today we have a really awesome unboxing.
Yeah.
I already do know what's in here, but I'm really excited about
don't.
what's in here. There's two things of which
No,
are already ours.
It's,
Stop.
It's a thing.
No, you're gonna,
it's a thing
not
where
this
I
one.
always do it.
Not this one. You get the next one. Next.
But ladies first. Yeah. Who's it from? You can still talk, you know. You didn't even finish talking.
So this is actually, it came from Mr. Big Time MC Metal Complex, but because it has our knives in there as well, and also one that he already had. We have some Abby _normal _1969's knives, and he sent us an extra one that I'm really pumped about because I've been. Why are you doing it like that?
Because I'm trying to not show the address.
All you do is hold it lower.
There you go. You can open that one. Nothing in it. That's ours.
Yep, that's ours.
Are we skipping those? This is ours, right?
That's ours.
That's ours.
And bang.
No, there's
Give it-
something else. Relax. You're going way too
cool.
deep. We have a letter.
We got some more MC stickers.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
I was all ready for a heartfelt letter.
Damn, no.
Too big time, I guess.
Yeah.
Way too big.
It's a big time. Don't write letters.
All right, let's do it, guys. But I was singing a good song.
Yeah.
Born in the USA, 'cause it's a Medford that I'm opening today. It weighs 700 pounds.
This is the Medford 187. I don't even know why I let her even touch it because she could care less about what this is.
Excuse
and
you.
she already knows like that I'm really
my
excited about it, and that's why she's doing this to me.
Wow. The only other Medford either of us have ever touched is the Airs. I didn't get my two. It is
you
puff,
could get knocked
puff,
out of that chair
pass.
really fast
It's
right
flick,
now.
flick, pass.
Give it to me.
I literally have another flick.
You actually slow rolled it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was one,
and then you
and I have
tried to-
another one.
Just do it.
That was just an attempt, and the more you argue with me, the longer it takes.
Come on.
I'm gonna try this again. With
There
a
you
little.
go. Give it up.
Can I close it?
No. Just give it up.
You're not supposed to hand an open knife. Sorry, it's rules.
You have such an attitude. Oh, wow! This thing is a beast. It's yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I didn't know it came with a little dog tag.
Man, this thing is such a beast. It's got a nice edge too. A lot thinner behind the edge.
I thought
than
that
I would've
Medfords came in like a hard case. Did that used to be a
thought.
thing?
It does, but I'm sure they have a thing too.
Okay.
Wow.
So what you think? What knife is this? I don't even know
I
the
already
name.
said it. You weren't even listening.
Nope.
I said it.
What was the name?
You're gonna have to rewind the film.
No.
It's a 187.
Oh.
It's got a really
Isn't
cool...
that for murder?
Yes. Murder, death, kill. Let's see if you guys can see the finish.
It's a really cool
this
finish.
thing is so badass.
Can I'm not taking it. I want to touch the scale with my finger, please. I almost.
You were already touching it. You didn't feel it?
I almost don't like the way it feels, but it's actually really smooth. My head thinks it feels powdery, but it's actually not.
This thing is a beast.
It's so long.
I love it. Oh, I want a Medford so bad. Like a big one, like a full-size
Yeah.
one. Because the other one's like a one-finger knife, which is really cool, especially for her. But Medford to me means, you know, like...
Manford.
Yeah, Manford, exactly. It means a beast of a knife. Oh, the thing's really smooth, too. So my first impressions are definitely, I love it. It's very smooth. It feels like
Kind of like Sebenza smooth. This one, it has that same kind of like tightened feeling where it's not like gonna drop shut, but it's smooth though. You know what I mean though. Don't be a sass ass. It's not a guillotine. Is that better?
It's got phosphor bronze, you can tell. It's very smooth though. Like I can feel it. And I love that lockup sound that.
Yeah. That's how even the little one.
I love that.
That's how the little one is too.
Oh.
All right, well, you're not really talking. You're just kind of
sitting there.
I know.
I'm gonna finish up the video right there because I'm gonna gawk at this a lot more. And yeah, thanks, Abby. You seriously, you made my week. Oh, I love this thing. Thank you.
Bye.